This is the Rhode Island colony. It was founded by Roger Williams in 1636 after he was kicked out of the Massachusetts colony because of different views on religious freedom. It was the New England colony and bordered by Massachusetts to the north and east, the Atlantic Ocean to the south, Connecticut to the west. It had the coldest winters, mild summers, but fewer diseases than other colonies. Farming was difficult because of poor soil, but they were still able to raise corn, pumpkins, rye, squash, and beans. Men worked as fishermen, textile makers, shipbuilders, lumber workers, farmers, and some even worked as craftsmen such as bakers, smiths, and tinkers. Children would go to a local schoolhouse and were taught how to read, write, solve arithmetics, and learn lessons in life. During their free time, girls would sew and play with their dolls, while boys would play ball, marbles, or go out with their dads. Moms had a few jobs to choose from. When they were at home, they would prepare lunch and dinner, feed livestock, or clean.
There are many important dates in the history of the colony of Rhode Island. Rhode Island was the last of the 13 colonies to ratify the Constitution, and they did so on May 29, 1790. Because of Rhode Island's religious freedom, many religious groups went there. But during the 1780s, Jews were not permitted to vote or become naturalized citizens. But they successfully lobbied the state government to ban the slave trade in 1787 and were considered citizens like all other Christian religions. This was the first evidence of the Roman Catholic Church appearing on Rhode Island as army chaplains would hold Mass. Because of the religious freedom, several well-established Jewish synagogues existed within Rhode Island, and Quakers also had an important role in the colony. During the Revolutionary War, the French army under Rochambeau encamped at Newport and Providence. But in 1783, the legislature repealed the act disenfranchising Roman Catholics in the state of Rhode Island. There is no main religion in the colony of Rhode Island because of the religious freedom, and so, because of that, Rhode Island can be a home for Baptists, Quakers, Jews, and other minorities. Every religion is welcome here. There are many reasons why you should move to the Rhode Island colony. Some of them include the great abundance of rivers, trees, and mountains, the ability to worship whatever god you want, plentiful farmland, and because it's near the coast, has lots of natural raw materials such as fish, whales, timber, and dense forests.